Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to use the cruise control on Lectric XP bike. Yes, Lectric XP bikes do have a cruise control, believe it or not. I'm also going to show you the walking mode on the electric bikes, and I will also show you how to turn off and on the headlights. And then I want to show you the container that we bought to store our electric bikes in when we haul them in our Buick Enclave. Stay tuned. Okay guys, in my last video, I forgot to show you how to use the cruise control. Can you believe that these things have actually cruise control? It's pretty cool. Basically what you do is you put it in pedal assist, any of the pedal assist, like one. Then you pull the throttle to set whatever speed you want, which the throttle's right here on my right hand. Then you hold the down arrow, and it goes into cruise. Then you can just let go of the throttle and the thing's in cruise control. So right now, of course, I'm set pretty fast, 20 miles an hour. If you want to kill the cruise control, just pull the brake. It'll go back into pedal assist. So it's pretty cool. Okay guys, I'm going to show you, it will go slow. Just hold it, set your cruise, and it's now set at like 6 or 7 miles an hour. I'm going to wave at the other camera. Hi John! That's my son John helping me out with the other camera. You can speed up with your bike. If you let back off, it'll slow back down to whatever you got it set at. It's a really cool feature on these bikes. Like I said, I didn't even know that these had cruise control when I first got it, but it's a really neat thing to try. Okay, I've set at 6 miles an hour, I believe. And there she's kicked back into cruise at 5.5 miles an hour. So that's how you do it. It's pretty simple. Like I said, to kill the cruise, you just pull the brake lever and it takes that back out and you're back in pedal assist. But you always have to have your pedal assist on to set the cruise control. Hey guys, well I have the bike here in the shed. I was going to show you a couple of things on it. How to turn the headlights on, and also there is a walking mode on this bike, and I thought I would show you those two features while I've got it sitting here in the shop. Okay, to turn the lights on the bike, you hit the up arrow, which is the top arrow right here. You'll push and hold it, and the headlights come on. And I'll show you that. There they are. And the tail light is right there. To turn it back off, you just hold it, and that turns them off. Then there's a walking mode on this thing. I guess if you get tired and want to push your bike, if you're going up a hill and you don't want to have to ride your bike or whatever, you can push the walk mode, and it'll actually walk the bike for you. And I'll show you that now. You just push the down arrow and hold it, and it takes off. Kind of goes fast though, like 2 miles an hour, so you're going to be walking pretty fast with it. Now I'm going to show you the container that we got to store our Lectric XP bikes in, and I'll show you that now. It is a Commander XXL, and I'll show you the tag here. There it is. It's a 64 gallon, and the bikes seem to fit in there really well. I'll fold the bike up and set it in there just to show you how well it does fit inside the container. Okay guys, here's a short video of how it looks in the container. Fits in there really well. And they'll easily fit in the back of our Buick Enclave. We got 2 of these. That'll give you an idea of how that fits in there. We also got the ones with the wheels on it. It makes it a little easier. If you pick it up on one end, you can roll it around pretty easy. That is that. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you found this video helpful and hopefully entertaining, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. And as always, have fun camping. We'll see you later.